Okay, so you had a chance to do some online exploration of graphs and things like that. So now we're going to have an opportunity to do some more practice with this. So I'm going to do a couple of examples with you, and then you can finish off the rest of these, and then just turn that in when you're finished. Take a picture and send it to me. So here's the number of customers at a restaurant depends on the time of day. So graph the time on the x-axis and the number of customers on the y-axis. So that means we're going to have time right here on the x-axis, and then number of customers on the y-axis. Be sure that you label what each of these things is, okay? So let's say that in the morning, first thing, there's not going to be any customers there. They haven't started yet. And then there's going to be kind of an increase in the day as we get to the number of customers is going to increase around breakfast time, and then at some point it's just going to stay the same while people are eating, and then it might come back down to 0 until it's lunchtime, and then we might increase back up to lunch, and then a few people will stay and eat lunch, and then we might go back down, and so on. Okay, so just give me an idea of what that graph is going to look like as the day goes on. Okay, and so just think about that and draw a graph that would match. Alright, okay, and then number 7 on the back, you're just choosing which graph makes the most sense. So Jonah took a ride on a Ferris wheel, and which graph best represents his distance from the ground. So time and distance from the ground. So think about a Ferris wheel. If this is Jonah riding that Ferris wheel, he's going to go start here at ground level, he's going to go up, and then he's going to come back down, and then he's going to go up, and he's going to come back down, but he's going that same direction every time, the same distance from the ground. He doesn't get closer to the ground each time. He's going to go up to the top. It's the same distance each time. So graph A makes the most sense here. So you're going to continue that with 8, 9, and 10. And then on 11, okay, you get to be creative here. Pick an X value, pick a Y, and what this is going to represent, and you tell me a story. Tell me what this represents in terms of whatever x-axis and y-axis you chose, okay? Alright, so once you finish that, just remember to send me a picture and show me what you've done.